Hello and welcome to the Imagine Products YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be going over both the job details view that appears once you start an offload and how to interpret your report once the job has finished. To start, select either simple mode or preset mode. For this video, I am in preset mode and will use one of my already made presets here in the bottom left. I'll make sure it's enabled, and after that, I'll add a file to offload, give it a job name, and then click Run here in the upper right corner. Once it's completed, click anywhere on the completed job to bring up the job details view. In the upper left of the job details view, you can see the job name, and below that, what mode was used. Farther down are the specifics of the job, giving information on how many files, folders, sources, and outputs were involved in the job. If you want additional information on the checksum types used, click the arrow to the left and a drop-down list appears. This list shows each type of checksum being used to verify your files, as well as if directory checksums are being generated. To the right of this is the Job Progress panel. Here you can see how much of the file has been replicated and verified, and how much is left remaining. Although we did a short job that finished quickly, for longer jobs, this view will update in real time for each stage. During the replication stage, your files are being read from the source and simultaneously written to each destination. After replication, your offload will be verified. This means checksums will be generated for each destination and compared against the generated source checksums to confirm file integrity. Finally, in the report phase, you'll be able to see how many reports have been generated and how many are still left. The number of reports is based on the options you selected in the Preferences menu. In the lower half of this page is the Job Flow view. Starting with the file or files you are offloading, it then shows the source, the device being used, and the destination. To the right of the destination is a preview of the folder name created by your offload. This visual is particularly helpful for keeping track of destinations when offloading to multiple drives. To access the reports for your jobs, click the blue icon next to the report progress bar in the upper right. This will then replace the job flow view with one containing your reports. By selecting the report name to the left, you can look through each of the reports you have enabled. Additionally, you can navigate to the report in Finder by clicking on the icon for the specific report you are viewing. This is an incredibly useful feature and has now been added directly into ShotPut Pro, so you won't have to leave the app to view them. If you'd like more information on setting up your report preferences or on interpreting your reports, check out our videos covering both topics in the description below. Finally, to return to the job path view, click anywhere on the Verify or Replication progress bars or icons. This was an overview of both the job details view and the reports page. Hopefully this video has given you a better understanding of both these features, and if you have more questions, be sure to check out the rest of our videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, imagine together.